see you. Come here. There you go.
Hey, that's my toy.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna head out.
Dom wanted to visit you so bad.
Really?
Oh, yeah. We always talk about it. Like, we go visit you and stay with you, and we'd like go to a Gators game and party on U Ave.
How come you never did?
Well, he said he talked to you about it. You just, I don't know. You were too busy. Dom, he would have fucking hated that funeral.
He would have liked what you said. Yeah, I don't think anyone was expecting a story about stealing a police car.
Hey. First of all, it was a fucking police golf cart. And second of all, we returned it. Plus, someone had to say something that was like actually fucking Dom. You know what I mean? I didn't mean that just because you didn't say anything.
No,
right?
no, it's fine. I don't know, I guess I just didn't have anything to say. You know, plus why should I have to say anything at all? You know, why is it that I'm the one left here having to answer for him? Like, why the hell do I have to make others feel better about what he did?
Bro. I would like to come with you.
Where?
Tomorrow. I heard you talking about it. How you need to spread
His ashes. You want to spread his ashes with me? Yeah, we can do that.
I tried to help.
What? Trip, what?
you...
She doesn't want to come with us.
That is not what I said.
What?
She wants us to do the dirty work.
That's fine. We can just...
This has been the hardest week of my life.
No. It's fine. We can stop for smoothies, go take some pictures, maybe do some shopping.
Please don't take that tone with me. This is not the time. Dan, look at me. I did the school vigil. I did the open casket. The only thing that you did,
Mom.
No, the only thing that you did was show up to the funeral.
Mom, I couldn't.
Well, now I can't. Maybe I'm exhausted. And I need this from you.
We've all sailed through storms just like Steamboat Willie, but this time we actually might drown. Besides cash in my pockets and girls I think are pretty, there's 4 things I need before I go down. I'm saying pack a couple bowls for my boys tonight, and give me the chance to kiss my bike goodbye, and give all my records to all my best friends, and tell Mom I'm sorry I drove her insane. But this time I think we actually might drown. I've been from private school polos to sweet jail of Canada, and slept on the most random couches and floors. I'm a spoiled yuppie punk, and maybe that's not all I'm after, but I've seen things people pay calendars for. I would say peace, another heat stick, but God, I'm just tired. And all my friends say this cartoon's life expired. Some of them ran off chasing corporate grins, and some of them left me for Oxycontin. So what's the point, dear, to build up what only breaks down? I'm leaving just as mixed up as when I got here. They'll find me in Morro Bay floating face down.
Yo, you should get this one. It's sick. It's like designer.
Stop. Stop fucking around.
Okay. Sheesh. Bro, we've been here forever.
You think this is fun for me?
You shouldn't have to wait, okay? Hello?
Dude, excuse me. Stop. What are you doing?
Hello?
Stop.
Hello, excuse me? Excuse me. Somebody
Stop.
please. No, no.
Seriously, I know.
Oh,
wow.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. We didn't. We were just coming to get a. It's like a. I don't know what you call it.
It's
a thing that.
Can I help you?
Yes, we came to
Yeah.
get. It's like a bowl or a vase.
collecting
You
a-
keep. I don't know.
from
A
my-
dead per. Like. once
Sir,
in a
if you would just please wait outside, I'll be right with you.
We're so
right,
sorry.
No, right, that makes sense. We came.
An urn.
Urn. We came to
We're
get
here
an
to get an
urn. An urn.
Surely you understand?
Understood.
Right, yes.
We're so sorry about this.
So rude of us. Sorry about that. I'm so sorry for your death. Or not your death, the death of someone you know. I know. I'm sorry. I didn't understand the situation. Okay. I didn't understand the situation. Why are there families here every single day of the week? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Families every day do.
I am so sorry. It's Finn, right? Your mother did call. I'll be right back with you.
See, sometimes you just gotta be assertive. Besides, it's not right for you to have to wait here. This place is terrible. It's haunting. Surely you understand. The guy sucked. Thanks. Have a good day.
I am very sorry for your loss.
Thank you. Thanks.
Caterpillars in the cracks of my hair, fucked up but functioning fine. I'm still unsure if you're dead, still tell your jokes like they're mine.
Yo, that guy was whack. I don't know. Like... So you think we should like spread it somewhere?
What?
Right? I'm just saying we're outside. We have it. We could just
What,
like go
in the
to
street?
No, I'm saying a place that he would have.
Give me the urn. I'm going home.
No, your mom said she wants me and you.
She's grieving. She doesn't know what she's saying. Give me the urn.
Wow. You don't want me with you for this, bro. I was his best friend.
I was his brother.
Okay, so then you know better than anyone. He wouldn't want to sit on a fucking shelf, bro. Come on, dude. That's not cool.
There in the void was scraping meaning from my better beliefs like band-aids off the post. Ironic blues we battle. Will the funeral prove that I still can't cry? The closer I get, there's little puddles in my eyes. And the area you loved you was the very best part. It went, oh well, whatever.
This is bullshit. Come on, we're good over here. Should you say something before we...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess I should, right?
Yeah.
Dom was a...
He was a good bowler.
Shut up.
That's my bad.
Dom had a lot of things going for him. No, fuck. You know what? Fuck this.
No, come on.
Rain check.
Dude, please.
I can't.
Dom would have wanted this.
And who knows what Dom wanted?
Just let me know when you're ready.
Yeah. I won't do it without you.
I know. See you soon.
Yeah.
You kept passing through storms
There we
like
go.
this.
All right. Your turn,
Let the
mister.
dream woke up tired.
Hold still. Come here. There you go.
Have been working on the perfect lullaby to sing you when you die. But I can't finish because
What's your nose? Probably what's that?
Have fun, Finn. It's a great day, huh?
But no, despite it all, we'll make it outside as the walls cave in. Said I would carry the pain, watch from afar, I'll be there.
You got it.
There's the eye. I got it. What kind of bug is that?
A grasshopper.
A grasshopper.
Morning, sunshine! Wake the fuck up, bro. We got shit to do. Big time shit, dog. Major shit, dude. Seriously, I got it all figured out.
Dude, what are you doing? Why are you here?
Got us a boat, bro. We just gotta pick it up in like 2 hours.
A boat?
Yeah, bro. Not just any boat, bro. The greatest boat you've ever seen in your goddamn life, bro. This thing is sick. It's lit.
Remind me again, what the fuck do we need a boat for?
Oh my god. Okay. Dom would have wanted to be in a place that he loved, right? AKA the Bahamas, bro. Turtle Bay. You guys grew up there. Come on, dude. This is gonna be so fun. Dude, it's this eternal resting place. You really want to fuck that up? Plus, I got us fun hats.
I can't. We can't. I have so much shit to
Oh
do
my God.
before I go
I'm
back
sorry,
to school.
bro.
Let's
I'm
just
not
go
letting
back
you
to the
say no,
period.
dude. This is for the best.
And how do you know what's for the best?
I was his best friend, bro. This is what best friends do.
What are you wearing?
Got it at a gas station.
My mom. You can't just leave my mom here.
Your mom, yeah. Hey, Teresa?
Don't you think Dom would have just loved this idea?
See, bro? She's on board. And that's not even like a sailing pun. She's down.
Shut up. Mom, can I talk with you in the hallway for a second?
Oh my god. Bro. Bro. Dude, please.
Mom, please don't make me do this.
I think it'll be fun.
Trip isn't even my friend.
That wasn't always the case.
Maybe when we were kids, but... Mom, now he's just kind of a fuck up.
But you know Trip is right. You know Dominic wouldn't want to sit on his show.
But what about you?
This isn't about me. Dominic would have wanted this. You guys grew up on those islands. That is exactly where he'd want to be. Ben.
Finn. What happened? Are you good? Yo, where are you going, bro? What happened?
It just...
He sounds a little
I don't know.
not good.
How big is this boat?
Let's go! Come on! We're going on a boat. We're going on a boat. We're going sailing.
I lied about my major to a stranger on the bus. I'm pretty sure I'm aging poorly, and I surely peaked too early. I'm about to greet my bitter end, craving the estrogen and minimum comfort, but I can't afford
Yo, I
it.
think we're gonna catch something like the flounder, honestly. That guy looks sick. Dual flounders. We could anchor down, go on little side missions, go to like marshes, maybe drop into like some sand dune areas, you know what I mean? Holy shit! Bro, this thing is like a mini lobster! Come here! This could be our mascot. We need to give it a name though. It could be like Billy the Beast. Billy the freaking Beast! Ow! Ow! Billy bit me. Billy bit me.
And it hurts. It hurts a lot. Ow. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. But dude, you gotta check this out. There's like 1,000 mini lobsters in this little tank here. Oh! Oh! My God!
What time's this guy coming?
He's supposed to be here like 20 minutes ago, but we're fine.
And who is this guy?
He's a senior at Coco. He's like a crew nerd going to Harvard. He's a pretty smart guy.
Good for him.
Yeah, he's legit. He owns like 8 boats here. We're fine. Yeah.
At this rate, we're gonna run out of beer by tonight.
Oh my God. Can you relax for 1 second, bro? You're allowed to have fun. Please, just for 1 second, dude. 1 second.
Hey, guys, what's going on? Nolan Matthews. Sorry for your loss. Dom was such an awesome guy.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, I'm senior class president. When we had the candlelight vigil, I was hoping to see you there, man. It was pretty awesome. Trip was there. It was pretty awesome.
Yeah, it was just a lot, I guess.
Oh, God, I can't imagine. Whew, I cannot imagine. Yeah. He was my lab partner in chemistry. Wasn't the best at science.
Okay, yeah, you guys weren't even friends. Let's see the boat.
No, yeah, we were. Like I said, he was...
Yeah,
he
you
was-
lab partners. The boat?
Yeah, just grab your stuff and follow me.
Oh, wow.
It's awesome. Yeah. That's my dad's. The whole reason I got into sailing.
Nice.
Yeah. And that's mine. That's the one you're taking.
Good one, dude.
That's nice. No, that's the one that you're sailing with.
Wait. No, that's not what we agreed on, bro. What?
Yeah, that's definitely...
No, we're not taking that.
Either that boat or no boat. You would never in a million years be taking this boat. You can't afford it. You can't even afford this boat.
That's not what we agreed on, man.
You really think I'm gonna let you, of all people, take that boat? The whole reason I'm doing this, the only reason...
Yeah, so that you can tell everybody that you let Dom's grieving brother borrow your piece of shit sailboat.
You have a boat that I just gave you.
Yeah, it looks like shit.
Unless you want to take your boat. Oh, wait. You probably don't have a boat, do you? That's why you're asking me for the boat.
Wow, I understand.
You're taking that boat, you're not taking any other boat. That's the deal.
Okay.
My dad got me this boat.
It's really not that bad. Nah, dude, I'm not letting senior class dickwad over here pull one on us so he can have some material for his college essay. Fuck that.
The fuck up, Trip.
You
don't know
shut
what
the
the
fuck
fuck
up.
you're talking
Oh.
about. My dad bought that boat.
Yeah.
You know how much it cost? Wait a minute, what did your dad do? Drink all day? Is that what he does? Just like you? So you fuck up, runs in the family?
Nice, my dad is a fuck up. And I might be one too. All I know is that I gotta get my buddy and his brother to the Caribbean so we can spread his ashes, okay? And you're gonna give us a boat that can get there. Or I'm gonna have to punch you in the face. Pretty fucking hard.
You're insufferable. Deal's off.
Wow.
Get off my boat.
Wait,
No.
what? You're such a little bitch,
No,
Nolan.
no. I've had enough. Get off the boat.
What did you say to me?
No, get
Wow.
off. I've had enough. Get off my boat. Come on.
Bro, we came all the way down here. You're not gonna let us get on your fucking boat.
Please hurry up.
Finn, you
Get
don't
off.
have to do
Come
shit. Don't listen to him, dude. Wow, you're gonna throw our shit off your boat? Nice, dude. That's really mature. Don't fucking touch that! Holy shit, Finn!
Let's go.
What are we doing? We're just fucking taking it? Are you fucking kidding me? Turn line. Yeah.
No, bow line. Bow line.
Okay. Oh, God, I got water in my nose. Okay, that one's good. All right. Okay, we're about to be good. Okay, what are we doing? What do you need me to do? Push this off. Okay. Oh, my God. Fucking Nolan! Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, I'm going to tell my dad.
started to cook. To validate faith, there are my own prayers now. To set a saint to keep some feet in the curve. And at the very least, grace makes you stay in this world much more comfortable. Hear me now, say, Dana, you've a lot of explaining to do. Without dreams right in front of your face, it seems you feel a lot more real than I do. Tommy, guard the house, I'm taking off. Keep the dust out of my room. I'll probably be gone for a while. All these things come crashing down like cannonballs. I got the wits knocked out of me. I gotta make sense of it all. Just keep breathing. I've been taking tons of little pills to make my heavy head fall off, make my subconscious shut up. She says there's decisions that I gotta make, though. I keep dreaming of a wide open ceiling where we pull a Peter Pan and fly our sorry butts back to our old cul-de-sac. I really miss you, yeah I do. I really miss you. Do I really miss you? Yeah, I do. I really miss you. So now I'm waiting till I run out of oxygen. I'm banking on this 2012 thing to resolve. 'Cause maybe if we kiss the funny face of apocalypse, oh, it would be so relieving if we all stopped breathing, that's all. I'm just a juvenile product of culture, and I'm getting older. I just need to sack up and face it, but do I really miss you? Yeah, I do. I really miss you. I really miss you, yeah I do. I really miss you. Things that we swore off, well, they're happening to us now. I know I can't sit quiet, but I don't know what else to do.